Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to remove saved login info on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you are on this page, tap on 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to the Account Center at the top. When you are on this, tap on Password and Security. Now go to Saved Login. After this, choose the account on which you want to edit. I will tap on Instagram as I want to remove my login info from here. Now UN will see this page. If you want to not save your login info, then turn this toggle off. Then log out of your account and log in again. Now your login info will not be saved. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.